Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram invite collaborator not showing. So what you have to do is tap on the three dots and then go to settings. From there click on help and then report a problem, and then click on report problem without shaking, and then click on include and continue, and from there type, hey Instagram, my app is completely updated and up to the latest version. Still not getting the invite collaborator option on my account. Please help me get the invite collaborator option. Thank you. And then press on send, and then in 24 hours your account will be reviewed, and then that option will be in your account. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.